Margins. Those fine lines that separate a success from a failure. A winner from its competition. They are everywhere. In every step of the man running to catch his train. In every drop of rain falling on the thirsty harvest. In every piece of gravel filling up the load of a tipper. With an industry offering tough conditions, being as diverse as it is challenging, there are no standard solutions optimal for everyone. In order to succeed, you must think beyond strength and robustness. Because no greatness has ever been built by following the status quo. With your industry being all but standard, the same should apply to your truck. That is why we tailor solutions to match the uniqueness of your business, pairing the strength of technical specifications with the smartness of optimized services. In the end, it all comes down to margins. We believe yours call for a tailored solution.